Just have a quick demo for you today of using shortcuts. I created something here called reading time. Let's go ahead and take a look at what that's doing. Up at the top here, you see we have volume control set. We're grabbing some music, and then we're going to make ourselves invisible for a little while. Do not disturb on. Then we open our book. We're going to wait a little bit, so we're just going to go through a loop here 2 times. And at the end of that, we're going to do the reverse. So stop playing our music, make ourselves available, and then give a notification showing that we're done our time. So let's go ahead and run this and see what happens. There we go. That Kindle open. There's music playing. And you'll notice here that we're in airplane mode with Do Not Disturb. And there came our notification. So that's it. That's what you're going to learn how to build today.